I searched how to buy shares of Medallion Metals Ltd to demonstrate the process. Medallion Metals is a mining and exploration company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker MM8.ASX. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search box to enter the ticker MM8.ASX and then select the matching Medallion Metals Ltd listing from the results. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Medallion Metals Ltd trading on CBOE AUS under MM8.ASX. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the link if you want to follow the same example.